Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your paid time off at Walmart. First, let's look at how to access your PTO information. You can easily check your current balance and see how much time you have available by logging into the One Walmart portal on a computer or by using the Me at Walmart app on your mobile device. This will show you a clear breakdown of your protected PTO and regular PTO, helping you plan your time off effectively. Knowing your balance is the first crucial step to making the most of your benefits. Once you know your balance, the next step is submitting your request. Navigate to the Time Off Request section within the Me at Walmart app or the One Walmart portal. Select the dates you wish to take off and specify whether you are using protected PTO or regular PTO. It's highly recommended to submit your requests as far in advance as possible, ideally at least 3 weeks, especially for popular dates, to increase the likelihood of your request being approved by your management team. This proactive approach helps ensure smooth scheduling for everyone. Understanding Walmart's PTO policies is key to maximizing your benefits. Your PTO accrual rate depends on factors like your length of service and average weekly hours. Full-time associates generally accrue PTO at a faster rate than part-time associates. Remember, protected PTO is specifically designed to cover unexpected absences, safeguarding your attendance record. You can use up to 8 hours of protected PTO per incident to avoid an attendance point. Always check the official policy documents for the most current and detailed information regarding accrual and usage guidelines. Sometimes questions arise, or requests might be denied. If your PTO request isn't approved, the best first step is to have a conversation with your direct manager to understand why and discuss potential alternative dates. For more complex inquiries, or if you need further clarification on policies, don't hesitate to reach out to your store's people lead. They are a fantastic resource for all associate-related questions. Additionally, the Associate Relations team is available to provide support and guidance on a wide range of topics, including your paid time off benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.